plastic bottle takes centuries to decompose, or in other words, many generations will have to put up with our bottles on our planet. Each person generates on average a bottle a day. Multiplying this by the life of a person, the consumption of bottles can reach 30,000 with its environmental consequences. The way to go is recycling. But between trips to the rubbish bin, used bottles build up at home. The solution is Crush to Save, the first domestic bottle crusher. Crush to Save is a reliable, sturdy, lightweight, efficient and economic product that crushes bottles with maximum guarantees and minimal effort. Thanks to Crush to Save, bottles occupy 3 times less space in the home and in the world. And you'll make fewer trips to the rubbish bin.